In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android calls going straight to voicemail. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might have all your calls going straight to voicemail, which would be very annoying. And basically, all you want to do whenever this happens is, firstly, make sure that you are getting signal in the top right. If you're not getting signal, then that's probably why your calls are going straight to voicemail. However, if you are getting signal and they're still going to voicemail, then this is what you have to do. So basically, head on over to the phone app. Once you're here, press the three little dots at the very top, go over to settings. You're going to see a lot of different options here, and you want to scroll down until you see supplementary services. You want to press supplementary services and make sure that everything is blank. If anything is not blank, then just make it blank, and then you should be good to go, and your calls should not be going to voicemail anymore. It's a very simple method, so if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what more videos do you want from this channel in the future.